hero beans, welcome back to my channel where we blend style, creativity and a little magic. Today I have something special for you, a TangBuy review. They reached out and I couldn't resist checking out their site and how everything works. Let's get into it. So TangBuy is like a cross-border shopping platform that allows buyers to purchase Chinese products from like anywhere in the world, and it has like personalized shopping and stuff like that because you get assigned an agent to help you like with your stuff, like if you're having issues or anything like that. Anyhow, so let's get into it. So here's my honest review of what I got and the process behind it.
What I love about TangBuy is the option to input an image of what you're looking for and it pops up. Anything that looks remotely close to it, it pops up. I find it sometimes works better than typing out what you want because the results bring out too much stuff. It's like too much to go through, so I prefer to use the image search bar. So after you find what you're looking for, you add it to the cart and you can even pay for it at the same time. But what I did was added everything I wanted to the cart and then I paid for everything. Yeah, no, I actually did some and then I saw something else that I wanted and then I got that too. When you do that, TangBuy contacts each store or seller and they make the order for you and your stuff gets sent to the TangBuy warehouse. And you have 90 days free at the warehouse. 3 months. That's 3 months. Try not to go over it because then you have to pay a fee. 3 months is a really long time. Anyways, when the items get sent to the warehouse, the team there sends images of your actual product and you confirm it looks good to you. And at this point, if it looks stank, say something so you can get a refund. You don't want it. When everything has been stored, then you choose your shipping option. I think mine was like $45 and it was only bulky because of this wooden thing that I added to my cart. Then you wait. It took about 3 weeks, but remember I chose the cheap option.
Okay, so this is not going to be exciting for you yet. I'm just making sure you're recording it up. So this won't be as exciting for y'all as yet. Because this is actually silver. It's 925 and 999 sterling silver that I got because I did the whole fixing up the jewelry room, the craft room video, and I haven't done anything yet, you know what I mean? Why? I don't know. But this is like sterling silver that I got to play around so we can make some cool things together. Or you can watch me fail. No, I'm not gonna fail. We're speaking positivity in 2025. So I got some chain. I'll do some close-ups for y'all. I got some chain, and this, I'm actually going to use this to make like a permanent bralette because you know I just wear silver and I don't take it off. And I think a cute little bralette will look cute made out of sterling silver. Let me show that to you all. And I got this ring. This is never coming off. Okay, it's gonna come off when I wash my hands, but it feels solid. Let me see. It has a 925 stamp to show that it's sterling silver. I all know how I love my jewelry. I got another ring. I don't think this ring wasn't sterling silver. And it's like a minimum of 2. So I just got 2. Like some of these stores, they have like a minimum that you can buy, which makes sense because they're gonna lose money shipping out stuff if it's like really worth nothing. I got 2 of these little skull rings with a little flower headband, but these ones aren't sterling silver. A necklace. Oh, it's not a necklace. It's like a headpiece. Or you can wear it as a necklace and a headpiece. Like, there are no rules to this thing called fashion. It has a little piece that's missing. So you see this piece is higher than that part there. So I'm just going to chop this part off and make it equal. But this is how it's supposed to look. I all know I love my headpieces. Probably like that. And then you can also wear it as a necklace.
I'm gonna pause this right here and just show you. I went to look back at the head chain and look at it. This is literally what they advertised. So they sent what I got. They didn't send something that was shoddy. They sent what they had pictured. So I got what I asked for. Say something.
This is some more sterling silverware. The reason I got sterling silver wire and like stuff from TangBuy is because it was ridiculously cheaper than getting it from Rio Grande and Etsy and stuff. However, if you need things quickly, get it from Rio Grande and Etsy. But if you can wait, you'll definitely be saving money. Okay, next up we have this gold necklace. I've been trying to incorporate a lot of gold into my wardrobe, so I'll show it to you all close up. I just think like high neck necklaces and chokers, literally like they were made for me. Chokers, I think it makes me look ethereal. So this is absolutely perfect. I like that. I got a hat, but my hair is up. So I'm going to show you the hat after the video, so I'll insert a clip. But I just wanted like a cool hat, and it has elastic at the back. But it's like a corduroy patchwork hat for those days where I don't want to do my hair. Going good so far, going good. Because I know sometimes people like to send this cheapness, but good so far. Well, these items are packaged really well, I must say. So this is a headpiece, and I'm going to show you how it looks. But I'll show you how it looks on.
Future me talking. I don't recommend this headpiece from this seller because it was a hot mess. The chains it was not assembled properly, and I had to sit down for I think 30 minutes to an hour trying to figure out how to start it out. So I do not recommend this. I'm not going to link this. This was a hot mess, but it still turned out pretty. I feel like I need to get a chain here. I'd put a chain here and here so I can wrap around the back. I don't know if it's missing it or I just don't know what I'm doing, but I just don't know. I suggest if you go to get this headpiece or one similar to it, or you get headpieces in general, you ask the warehouse if they can model it on a mannequin for you so they can see that it's not up to point and they can return it for you. Just a thought.
It has like a good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap, and it has like this nice iridescent look to it. And y'all know I'm going to keep it honest with you. If I don't like something, I don't like it. So I got a dress. We have this dress. I just wanted a nice dress, like some nice dresses that I can just wear, and like you don't always want to be wearing something tight. So I just wanted some loose flowy dresses that I could wear. And the material feels good. It doesn't feel cheap, it literally feels good. Has a slight bit of stretch. Okay, so that's weird. I know I got another dress. Thank you. Dear valued customer, to show our appreciation, we've included a special gift just for you. May your life be filled with joy and happiness. To make your experience even better, we invite you to join our Discord community. Connect with like-minded people, chat with us, and get an exclusive chance to win cashback, giveaways, and exclusive discounts. From this moment forward, you can access TangBuy's exceptional services and a trusted friend from China, Tang. Whenever and wherever you need assistance, we're here for you, ready to provide the support you need. Your best regards, your Chinese buddy Tang. And it has the Discord here, which I'll put in the description, or like right here. Okay, this is the next dress. And this one has lace in it. It's very whimsy goth. I think it's really pretty. I thought it was going to be longer than this though. But after some ironing, see the lace at the bottom? I think it will look really cute as like, you can wear it and then you can wear like another skirt underneath, like a tulle skirt or like another lace skirt. There are endless ways you can dress up dresses like this, like midi dresses. The material feels silky. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel cheap. Okay. And last but not least, I think this is last but not least, we have this. This is supposed to go into my jewelry armoire. I'm making a jewelry armoire to fit all my jewelry in because my jewelry is like a hot mess. You can't see where everything is. I literally can't be bothered with it digging out the jewelry. But if I have a jewelry armoire, I can literally see everything. And I think it will make my videos and my pictures better because all the accessories all the accessories. Let's come down a little bit. So this is going to be placed into my jewelry armoire. Yeah, and that's what it. Okay, so let's talk about what I love and what I think could be better. The pros is that you can find literally anything on this site. You put in the image and it brings every single thing that looks similar to that. I think that's really, it's actually stuff that I cannot even find in like local online stores. So that's a really big plus for me. The cons is that you can't contact the stores, like the separate stores yourself, the sellers. And I'm someone who likes to annoy sellers. I'm sorry, like I annoy sellers, I interrogate them because I don't want to get crap sent to me. But the good thing about that is that you're assigned an agent and you can send the agent all the queries that you have. They contact the sellers and they get back to you. So you have a middleman. I had one issue because I wanted to get a couple rings and the store was also inventory, but it still had that I had inventory. And that annoyed me because I was so hyped for these rings and then it got cancelled because they had no inventory. And I wasn't able to message the seller myself and ask them when they would get it back in stock. My agent did it. The agent was like, don't think that's coming back in stock anytime soon. But overall, I really like everything I received. I have literally no complaints with anything I received.
For me, that head thing was a hot mess. No, that was my complaint. That was my complaint. It was so, no, it was a hot mess.
I think I didn't get much clothing because my body type is a little different. I actually got these a little bit bigger because you know how things are with me. I get things and then it can't fit my hips. But if you know that you are like a consistent weight and a consistent body type, I think this is a medium. I think this is small and medium. I think this is a medium. I think both of them are mediums because I don't want to risk getting small and it's not fitting my hips. I really wanted these things to fit and I didn't have to fit tight. I could probably even have gone like larges, but I'm really happy with what I received. And I actually have some more stuff in my cart that I want. So because everything was good quality and I approve of everything, I'm actually gonna go and get the other stuff that's in my cart. And I don't mind waiting for it. I'm like in no rush. I also cannot wait to play with these sterling pieces with y'all guys. I made my little bralette. I'm really happy with this. So would I recommend TangBuy? If you're looking for something that's too high in local prices or that's rare or discontinued, you should definitely check them out because they would more than likely have it. So I've added the link to the description where you can check TangBuy out. So feel free to explore TangBuy and see if anything catches your eye. I mean, there will be some that catches your eye. My cart is like over 350 US. I need to cut that down a little bit because I can't be out here spending all my money. I got things to do. I got food to eat. And that's it for my review, my ethereal beings. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Until next time, stay magical.